Welcome to Mudita Monday here on the Wingman's Path. And it is such a great Mudita Monday for me as my Philadelphia Eagles, go Birds, have won the Super Bowl yesterday. And you know how excited I am for that. So before I get into all that, let's talk about Mudita. Let's talk about the Wingman's Path. If you're brand new here, let me introduce myself, right? My name is Michael Gross. I wrote the book, The Wingman's Path to Positivity, started practicing the practices, was joined by a lot of like-minded individuals, positive energy practitioners, and we have created a community of positive energy, and it is unbelievable. We call our collective energy the rising tide of positive energy, and you are more than welcome to join us simply by practicing the energy or the vibration you want to be sending out each and every day. That's what we do. Yeah, let's get to today's practice, which on Mondays here on the path, it's always Mudita Monday. Mudita is a Sanskrit or Pali word which means to take joy in others' happiness. Seems simple, right? But even in the Bible, they talk about jealousy and covetousness. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's good. It's not an easy, for me it wasn't. It took practice to practice feeling joy for others' happiness. And that's why I started Mudita Mondays here on the path. Because when you start taking joy in others' happiness, when you practice it and you get to the point where you feel joy, you hear someone's happy and you feel joy for their happiness, you are sending out a pure joy. And when you send out a pure joy, the universe always matches, of course, what you're sending out. And you receive back pure joy, more reasons to feel pure joy. And for me, let's get started right now, because the Mudita I'm feeling is the happiness for all the Philadelphia Eagle fans out there, right? The Philadelphia Eagle fans out there. As I said to a good friend of mine, from the pain we've had for many years to over the last 7 years where we've been in the Super Bowl now 3 times and won twice, man, it is a good feeling to be us, right? It's a good feeling to be a fan of the Philadelphia Eagles today, right? So I wanted to share that is certainly my Mudita-worthy moment. What's your Mudita-worthy moment? What are you happy about or thankful for? I'd love you to participate with us here on Mudita Monday. Share what you're happy about. You can do it in a video, 30 seconds. It doesn't have to be long. Tell us what's going right with you. Or you can just post a comment or a post. Post a comment on this video or post a post. What you're happy about. Let us take joy in your happiness. The third way you can participate, come back to the Wingman's Path today over the next few hours and see the videos. Watch the videos and practice taking joy in others' happiness. Practice raising your Mudita vibration. You will be amazed what it will do for your overall vibration and what it will do for your reality as well. I thank you so much for joining me today and every day and practicing positive energy with me. Have a great day, and I will see you back here for practice tomorrow. Wingmates of the Coalition, of course, hang on for another minute and we'll get to our further practices. Enjoy.